What up, YouTube? Today on the 2018 Jeep JL, we're going to get a quick bath and we're going to do a little install. Stick around. We're back from Advanced Auto Parts. Picked up the Turtle Wax Max Car Wash. Never used it before. About to try it out. So I said we're going to do a cleaning and install. We are going to install this bad boy. It is the fuel nozzle gasket that did not come with the gas cap cover that we ordered. So after the wash, we are going to get that installed. This is the Greenworks electric pressure washer. We've had it for about a couple years. It works well for what we need it for. Let's get to it. Alright, got a good rinse off. Now we're going to go dry it off. Okay, this bad boy's clean, ready for the install. On an earlier video, we installed this gas cap cover, which is pretty nice. It beats the factory look. This one, it's aluminum. It did not come with the gasket on the housing. And so the nozzle's kind of flopping around there. I do have the old gasket behind it, just so it doesn't get down in there. But we're gonna replace or just add the new gasket to the housing, and we're going to show you how to do that. All you're going to need is the trim removal tool, screwdriver, T40 Torx bit, and you're ready to go. Here's the gasket that we ordered. This is off eBay. I believe it's 20-30 bucks. I'll put the description and link below. Let's get to it. Once you have your T40 screw removed, you can go ahead and remove your rear light. It just snaps in. Snap, 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 snap. Set this aside. You can unclip it if you want. I'm just going to leave it hanging because we're not going to be doing much in here. All right, before you take this cover off, the gas cap cover, I'm going to go ahead and want to remove the gas nozzle clip. Just pop it out. Good to go. Now there are going to be two snaps, kind of like here on the inside and up here on the inside. you've got to try to reach down through here and push and pull at the same time. Okay, as you can see, here's the old gasket. Just remove that, toss that aside. We're gonna put the new one on this one. Okay, we got it in there. Not sure that I'm happy with it. It's still a little loose, but it looks like this piece should do the trick as far as sealing it up. Make sure it doesn't get down in there. Make sure you attach your gas cap string. You're good to go. Everything else is gonna be reversed. You're gonna put the light back in, 2 snaps. Then you're gonna put the T40 screw back in with the cap, and you're good to go. As always, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Peace.